The Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences has primarily recognized male economists, with only 3 women laureates since 1969. Claudia Goldin, the most recent recipient in 2023, was awarded for her research on the gender pay gap. Her work revealed that women's caregiving responsibilities and inability to commit to continuous full-time employment contribute to their lower earnings. India, facing challenges in the changing landscape of work, particularly affecting its youth, also needs to address undervalued caregiving work. The article emphasizes the need to value caregiving labor, change the economic paradigm, and prioritize bottom-up solutions for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. It calls for a shift in power dynamics and the empowerment of women and local communities in shaping inclusive and sustainable institutions for governance.
The article discusses the ongoing crisis in Ukraine and West Asia, highlighting the interconnectedness of traditional and non-traditional security threats on a global scale. China and India, as ancient civilizations, share a vision for global fairness and justice. China's President Xi Jinping proposes building a global community of shared future, emphasizing rejection of unilateralism and protectionism, peaceful development, fostering new international relations, practicing true multilateralism, and promoting common human values. China has actively contributed to this vision through initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative. The article calls for joint efforts between China and India, representing the Global South, to create an open, inclusive, and peaceful world.
The recent death sentences handed to 8 Indians accused of espionage in Qatar have shocked India's Ministry of External Affairs. The trial, which lacked transparency, involved former Indian Navy servicemen arrested in August 2022, accused of sharing secret information about a submarine program with a third country. Despite pleas from India, Qatar has not disclosed details of the case. India's significant ties with Qatar, including strategic agreements and 40% of LNG imports, make resolving the issue crucial. The Indian government must urgently appeal for clemency, potentially commuting the sentences to jail terms served in India, emphasizing the importance of these citizens' lives.
Nawaz Sharif, the former leader of the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, and 3-time Prime Minister, has returned to Pakistan after 4 years of self-imposed exile in London. Sharif, who was ousted from power in 2017 and faced legal troubles, was greeted by thousands of supporters upon his arrival. The political landscape has changed significantly since his departure, with Imran Khan, the current Prime Minister, now in jail and at odds with the military establishment. Pakistan has a history of political alliances with the military, and Sharif himself has aligned with the generals in the past. His return marks a potential political comeback as the country gears up for parliamentary elections in January 2024.
The article discusses a shocking incident in Mahagaon village, Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra, where 2 women, Sanghamitra and Roja, allegedly poisoned multiple family members with thallium, a tasteless and odorless chemical. Victims included Shankar Kumbhare, his wife Vijaya, their son Roshan, daughter Komal Dehgaonkar, and Vijaya's sister Varsha. Sanghamitra, married to Roshan, sourced thallium with Roja's help, aiming to eliminate legal heirs to property disputes. The plot unfolded with mysterious deaths, hospitalizations, and suspicions. After confessing, Sanghamitra and Roja were arrested, leaving the village in fear and shock. The case has rattled the local community and authorities.